Wolfie for KWGT is a high-quality Android application designed specifically for users who want to enhance their home screen customization using the KWGT Custom Widget Maker framework. This app offers a curated collection of beautifully crafted widgets that feature modern designs and various functionalities, allowing users to personalize their devices extensively. With Wolfie for KWGT, users can easily access a variety of widget templates that display essential information such as time, weather, date, and more, all in visually appealing formats. The app is designed to be user-friendly, enabling both beginners and experienced users to edit and adjust widget elements, including size, colors, and layouts, to fit their personal style. Additionally, Wolfie for KWGT emphasizes aesthetics and functionality, making it an excellent choice for users looking to create a unique home screen experience. By leveraging the capabilities of KWGT, this application empowers users to transform their Android devices into sophisticated, personalized setups.